Hello there, it's Christian Youngren with Kaizen Automotive bringing you more best automotive practices. In today's video, I'm going to tell you a little story about the Golden Buddha, and I'm going to talk about letting your Golden Buddha shine. Now, if this is your first time to our channel, and you want to improve your automotive sales skills, learn how to use psychology to close more car deals, and to receive unbiased reviews on dealership product and service companies, go ahead and make sure you subscribe, and then turn on the bell so you never miss out on learning anything new. Alright then, let's talk about the Golden Buddha. If you ever get to Thailand, one of the major tourist attractions, a temple in Bangkok where you'll find the famous Golden Buddha. Now, it weighs almost 5.5 tons, the statue is nearly 10 feet tall, and the value of his gold's worth an estimated $250 million. Now, the Pious Buddhists, they describe this statue as reflecting the true nature of the Buddha, and visitors from all around the world come to marvel at its beauty and its ancient treasure. However, it hasn't always been that way. You see, in 1955, an entire monastery in Thailand was being relocated by a group of monks. One day, they were moving this giant clay Buddha when one of the monks noticed that there was a large crack in the clay. Upon closer investigation, he saw there was a golden light emanating from the crack. So the monk used a hammer and chisel and started chipping away at the clay exterior, and it revealed the statue that in fact made of solid gold. Historians believe the Buddha had been covered with clay by the monks 200 years earlier to protect it from an attack by the Burmese army. In the attack, the monks had all been killed, and it wasn't until 1955 that this great treasure was actually discovered. You know, I think a lot of us are sort of like that Golden Buddha that got covered up. I mean, we were born with talents, and after that we developed these golden dreams and aspirations and goals. However, as we grew older, our friends, maybe our parents, or just influences in our life, they covered up these golden ideas, telling us what we can and can't do. And in most cases, it's done out of love. It's totally unintentional. But nonetheless, your golden talents and dreams got covered up with clay, and now they're hiding the tremendous value that the world should be receiving from them. Now, the Buddhists, they had to wait nearly 200 years before they could expose the world to this tremendous golden beauty. My message to you today is you don't have to wait. You don't have to wait for the clay to accidentally come off and people to see your shine. Today, right now, let's strip away anything that's covering up your Golden Buddha. Let's go ahead and let's strip away, and from now on, let's make sure the world always sees your Golden Buddha and its golden shine.